that you will never miss any of my video, and please press the bell icon that you will never miss any of my video notification too, and you will never miss any of the job notification. So let's move on to today's video. So today we are going to talk about a job notification by TietoEvry, which is currently hiring a software engineer. So let's see what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply, what is the year of passing they are needed. So let's see. So if you are BTech graduate in CS, IT, ENT and MCA, you can apply for this job. It means any graduation and MCA degree can apply for this job. Year of completion, they want 2021. So guys, if you are in the final year of your BTech, you can apply for this job. Many of my subscribers have requested me to please upload the video of the year of passing 2021. So guys, this video is for you. So if you are in your last year of graduation, you can apply for this job. So let's see what is the percentage criteria. So guys, percentage criteria for 12th and 12th and graduation is 60%. So guys, if you have done your graduation, it means if you are in 2021 year and the aggregate percentage, it means your average percentage should be 60%. If you have and you have no backlog, and if you have your percentage less than 60, you cannot apply for this job. So I hope guys you will like this video, and yes guys, I will provide you, please check the description box because I can provide the apply link in the description box. You can go directly from my link and apply for this job. I hope you will like this video, so thanks for watching.